If you would introduce the people as the group, right?
Here I'm saying that this is Mr. Wanke Philip, a retired adjutant chef of the gendarmerie. He's the closest neighbor to our CIG farm where we are going. Then here you have Mr. Joseph. He is a local animator, as I was telling you yesterday. Then here you have Philip Mungong. This is his compound. Here you have Mr. Ngong Samuel, the fatherhead of Ocean. Then you have another notable standing by them called Joe Bang. All of them are residing around here.
Excellent. We're going to the farm.
Yes, we're not going to the farm. The experience of the countryside.
The queen of the countryside. Crush.
It works. That's the only way we have been using to scare birds.
Really?
Because the farm is too large for somebody to be running around.
Yeah.
Okay.
Necessity, we have a saying, maybe you do too. Necessity is the mother of invention.
That's the thing. Of course, because if you don't invent like that, it's very difficult.
Farmers are good. Good farmers invent.
You can now see that when I was talking about heady grass, that one has resisted the weeds.
Yes.
That's why you see it growing. But what I was showing you in that man's farm, you scarcely can see it here because the herbicide that we are using is purposely for that particular grass. Okay, you can now hear. You hear that man scaring. You hear him by shouting like that all through the day. The sun is already flat. You see, he planted by June. You see, he's already at flowering stage. So these are people who harvest first. So first week of July they planted. You now see him already scaring. By next week, by Monday, we'll be putting somebody here to do scaring, to start scaring, especially for this
You
one.
will. This is,
for 1 hectare.
Yeah.
It's you who scares?
Yes.
No,
That's right.
That's it's your rice.
Whoa!
Way back there.
I did it. Say, whoa! I'm present. Don't come.
I'm present.
Yeah. His farm. Come and see his farm already. It's great. Here, are you seeing the farm? It's getting here.
No.
Back there.
That's the farm.
Okay.
It's getting ready.
That's why I'm escaping.
Very good.
It's telling the bird, oh, I'm still here.
Don't come and eat my rice. Oh.
We'll come and apply nitrogen to reboost the growth. Before flowering, if we put nitrogen, you'll see that it picks up. This one now doesn't need nitrogen again because if you look at the stump here, this shows that rice formation has taken place already. You see how far it is. By the next 1 week, you see the panicles coming up.
Okay.
Yes.
Give me my camera.
So,
There's no battery.
Oh.
Battery's dead.
it's going on. See the same grains? You see? The same like rice?
They're small.
Yeah, it's small. Then what they do is we take this and cross. If you want to have this color, you take it and cross here. Then it produces another variety of rice.
You're doing that here?
We did it with Dr. Janakiran from Philippines over Iraq Station across the road.
Okay.
Yeah, and produced almost 32 varieties of rice.
Wow.
But that one has long gone out.
International Rice Research Institute?
Yes.
Where he's from, in the Philippines.
Yes. So we can go because...
Thank you. It's going to rain.
Signaling us.